Jyoti CNC automation does not need an introduction in the Indian machine tool industry. We are participating at the MTech's exhibition in Greater Noida, and we have on demonstration the machines, advanced machines that we manufacture, like the horizontal machining center, the turn mill center, and especially the 5-axis machine that we manufacture in India. As you know, the demand exceeds the manufacturing in India for the machine tools, and we ensure that the supply chain is streamlined so that we are able to cater to the requirements of the industry, especially the northern India. The industry in the northern India specifically caters to the automotive industry. The region caters to the agricultural machineries. Jyoti CNC Automation has an integrated manufacturing facility at Rajkot. We cater to all segments of the industry, starting from the 2-axis turning centers till the 5-axis machining centers and the multitasking machines.